Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about Hurricane Ida, which is now expected to become a Category 4 major hurricane before landfall in Louisiana. We also have a couple other disturbances here, but according to multiple model runs of the GFS, this one here, disturbance number 2, doesn't seem like it forms, nor does disturbance number 1. So we're just going to be focusing on Ida today. So let's start off here with the current stats for the storm. So we have maximum sustained winds of 80 miles an hour, making this a Category 1 hurricane, minimum central pressure of 989 millibars, and is moving northwest at 15 miles an hour. Moving on here to the warnings and cone. And you can see here that we have M's on the chart here, so that is a major hurricane from 8 p.m. on Saturday through landfall. So this overall shows that we're going to be seeing some rapid intensification here. So let's move on here. Arrival time of winds with wind speed probabilities turned on. You can see that tropical storm force winds are 100% likely through parts of southern Louisiana and through Sunday at around 8 or 9 a.m. So moving on here to current storm information, we're going to just look at our intensity guidance. So at this point we have a right around mid-grade Category 1 hurricane. Now most models are projecting this to rapidly intensify to a Category 4 hurricane in the next 36 hours. Some models do show this staying as a Category 4 hurricane, but most have it dropping back to a Category 3 before landfall in about 48 hours. Then after that, there is a rapid decline in wind speeds. That is due to the friction over land. And in about 60 hours, we are all the way back down to tropical storm strength. Then at 72 hours, we are either at tropical storm strength or tropical depression strength. And after that, we're basically at tropical depression strength for most of these models. Of course, we do have stragglers up here. So, moving on here to the GFS, let's just take a look here and see what is going to go on with Ida. So, we have the storm rapidly intensify. It is down into the 950s before landfall, and again, it rapidly declines in wind speed. We're back up to over 1,000 by Wednesday. So, you see here, landfall is made on Sunday into Monday, and it is all the way back above 1,000 millibars by Wednesday. So it's going to weaken pretty quickly. Moving on here, we also have another disturbance, another wave off the coast of Africa in our main development region, which has been forecast to become another major hurricane. Multiple model runs. The intensity has not changed with this storm. The track has, though. I've seen certain models push this toward the US. I've seen other models show this moving more toward Europe. So, either way, we do have our peak hurricane season right around the corner. So we do have to start getting prepared for that. Last year, right around the peak of the hurricane season for last year, we had 4 or 5 tropical systems in the Atlantic at once. So it is definitely not out of the question. If we go right over here, this is the 12th. You have 1 tropical disturbance here, another here, another here. So 3. And if you want to count some other systems, as of right now, you have this disturbance right here, and another one right here. So things are starting to heat up, which includes Ida becoming a possibly Category 4 hurricane before landfall, making landfall probably a Category 3, as well as possibly another major hurricane next week, as well as a few other tropical disturbances that we do have to keep our eye on. So, in the comment section down below, how many tropical systems do you think are going to form before the end of the year? Just comment those in the comment section down below. We could have a little bit of a debate on how many we think. But that is all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, subscribing, and hitting the bell. and I will see you guys next time.